G'day. In this video, we're going to take you through the Outback trailer jack brought to you by RV Essentials Australia. In this video, I'll go through the unboxing, how easy it is to install onto your own caravan A-frame, and what tools are required to do so. A couple reasons why you can change over to an electric trailer jack, changing out your current Jockey wheel at the moment. For me personally, it's around security and safety. Having this peace in mind to be able to hold the full front of the caravan. With Jockey wheels, they're a good system, but they can fail on you and is a lot of manual intervention. So if you have any bad backs or shoulders or anything, they can be hard to be winding up and down. Let me take you through the unboxing of the Outback trailer jack. Everything is included in the kit. You get one electric trailer jack. You get also one emergency crank handle, an extra Jockey wheel, bolts and nuts to screw it to the A-frame, a 5-meter wire loom, a waterproof shield cover, and also a Outback jack pad. Installation of the electric jack is really straightforward. You've got 6 pre-drilled holes that you can fit in the bolts and the nuts to fit it straight to your A-frame. All you require is 2 spanners and the included bolts and nuts. This model features an integrated heavy-duty clamp that adjusts up to 4 different A-frame drawbars. With 6 adjustable mounting positions, you'll get a perfect fit each time. This unique design means fewer parts to install and a cleaner and stronger connection each time. Simply tighten each of the 4 bolts and nuts so it's firmly attached to your A-frame. This only takes a couple of minutes, just be sure not to over tighten them. From here, simply slot your Outback pad underneath. Simply hold down the extend button on the electric trailer jack, and this will start to extend the trailer jack's leg and start to take weight of the caravan, as shown here. With a lifting capacity of 1,800 kilos, the jack easily raises even the heavier full-size caravans. With the oversized 57mm power-coated outer tube and zinc-plated inner components, delivering maximum strength and corrosion resistance. Simply press the retract button to find your caravan's desired spot. At the top of the electric trailer jack, it has a level, so you can find out where is your caravan's going to be level according to your site. Additionally, with the electric trailer jack, it also comes with a light just underneath. This is really handy for at night time. Simply flick on the switch and it can give you some light around your A-frame area. The other great addition with the Outback trailer jack is you can change over the base here. So come standard with your steel base that you straight onto your solid base here, or you can change this over to a Jockey wheel, and all of them just have these removable pins as well. Let me show you how I change it over. Pull the pin at the back here, pull that out, that releases the base there. Swap out the Jockey wheel, steel base goes in, and again you've got all these different locking points here to give you extra length with the trailer jack as well. I'm going to put it at the top one here, lock that into place below, and then same thing at the top is you're hitting up and down as you need it. Easy as. Included with the Outback electric jack, you get a couple extra things as well. You've got a nice leather bag cover to cover the top here in case it's raining, and just good sun protection as well. That just slots straight over the top there. And then you can pull the drawstring at the bottom there, nice and secure. Along with the trailer jack, you get about a 5-meter cord as well. So this is all black Anderson plug to be able to power your electric jack. On it, it's got a fuse, and then the ability to run that straight to your caravan battery. And then this goes straight into the clip itself of the extension of the trailer jack. For my caravan setup, I've already got an Anderson plug set up over here, which I'll take you through in a moment as well. You'll need some 12-volt power to power the electric jack. For my caravan, I've already got an Anderson plug, a black one already set up on the caravan. So for me, it's easy as just plugging it straight in here. You've got about a meter length of cord here. But as I said, currently with the current kit, you get about 5-meter extra cord to be able to run that back into your battery, should you need a bit more distance as well. Now I know what you might be thinking, if you do run out of power in your caravan, how are you going to retract the current electric jack and be able to hitch up to your car. The bonus thing, it gives you a manual override wrench to be able to put in up the top here, and you can manually wind it up and down should you lose any power as well. It's as easy as pulling off the top here, just a water seal there, putting this straight into here, getting that to lock into place, and then you can manually twist back and forth, and that will override and be able to get your electric jack back up as well, ready to hitch up your car. The electric Outback trailer jack can support up to 1800 kilos at the front of your A-frame of your Caravan. Pretty decent, because my Caravan itself only sitting at about 220 kilos at the moment. You sit around about 300 kilos, 350 is about your sort of average and maximum with your weight of your front of your Caravan. This has got plenty of payload to be able to help support your Caravan. The Outback trailer jack makes it really easy to be able to hitch up your Caravan, drop it straight onto your tow ball, ready to drive away. Let me show you how. And just by the click of a button, drop it down and put it straight onto the tow ball. It's as easy as that. You've got some really simple functions. On the left here, you've got access to a light down here. So really good at night time to give a bit of light around your A-frame. Just a flick of the switch will turn that light on there. Over here, this is going to be your retract and extend to be able to give you height and to be able to drop this down to put it straight back on your tow vehicle as well. Up the top here, as I mentioned, we've got our leveling guide. This is really handy to be able to see when you are taking it off your tow vehicle, to be able to see how level you are if you need to drop it or extend it a bit further as well. Engineered specifically for Australian caravans and trailers, this jack combines unmatched lifting power. There you have it. That is your electric Outback trailer jack. If you're looking to upgrade your existing manual jocking wheel to one of these ones today, head over to RV Essentials Australia